VisionAutoworks here with an 0506 Acura RSX headlight package finished up. This customer went with our complete package, so built on brand new OE style headlights. These are an aftermarket but OE replacement style headlight. Looks exactly the same, fit and finish is just as good as the OEM headlights without the really expensive OEM cost. The projectors we used here are the Morimoto Mini D2S 5.0. This is a 3-inch bixenon projector, and it does have a blue AR coated lens on it, so you can kind of see that blue hue in the lens there. Shrouds he chose are the Apollo 1.0. These fit really good with the additionally added halos that he wanted. So the halos he chose were a white color only halo. Typically these have kind of a yellow look to them when off. So we chose halos that have a diffuser put in front. So it kind of diffuses that yellow look, not as in your face with that yellow coating that's on them. We're going to cut them on here. And as you can see, the diffuser definitely makes a great uniform looking illuminated ring on top of the shroud face here. Now we're going to hook up the HIDs just to kind of give you an idea of what both illuminated looks like, the halo plus the projector. Now the full complete package comes with the Morimoto HID kit. This is an XB35 system with an HD relay harness, XB35 ballast, XB35 bulbs. We do have bulb upgrade options as well, and you can add that to your package on our website. Just follow the relevant links to those options. And then one more thing we added on these headlights is our XB ballast mounting brackets. We make these specifically for the RSX. So the ballast is cleanly tucked underneath the headlight, just like a factory OEM HID system would be. So you don't have to worry about where you're going to mount the ballast, you know, using zip ties or 3M tape or anything like that. It's pretty much attached to the headlight. And so whenever you want to remove the headlights, you simply unplug the connections to it, and they all come out as one unit. So it's a really clean OEM-like setup with the ballast brackets attached. And we do offer these for the 0204 and 0506 RSX currently. It's a small price to pay added to your package for the ballast brackets, but it definitely makes for a really clean install. If you have any questions, you can visit us on the web at VisionAutoworks.com. Order a package like this, spec it out exactly how you want it to be built, and we can build it to your specs. You can also reach us by phone, 469-440-9449, or through any one of our social media channels, Facebook and Instagram.